it's Tommy here from Raw Blend. Today I'm going to make for you a delicious new recipe. This is a Lush summer smoothie. Absolutely beautiful, I know you're going to love it. So let's get started. I've got 2 bananas. I've peeled the bananas, ready to go. Throw them straight in. And I've got some mango. Alright, so all these beautiful summer fruits are all available at the moment in Australia. So mango is really good for you. It's high in vitamin C, vitamin A, and it's a really, really good immunity booster. Get some of that in. So 1 whole mango. It's really going to make your smoothie thick and creamy. Give it that really nice consistency. That looks pretty good. And I've got 2 peaches, another nice summer fruit. In they go. I've removed the pit, of course. And I'm going to put in 2 whole passion fruits. So I'll just scoop out the flesh of those. I'll give it that really beautiful taste. And 1 more. And some lychees. So I've got about 6 lychees here. I've peeled them and removed the pit. Really good for you. They're great for your skin and really good for blood circulation as well. So throw those in. I've got 1 fresh date, a little bit of water just to help thin it out a little bit, just about ½ a cup of water, and then probably about 2 to 3 cups of ice here. That looks pretty good. Now I'm using the new Vitamix Ascent series, the 3500i blender. This is an awesome blender, super stylish. It was actually modeled off some high-end sports cars. See the design of it? So super cool. All right, I'm gonna put that on our drinks setting. I'm gonna press start. It's gonna blend for about 50 seconds and then automatically shut off. Here we go. That's it. Only takes about 50 seconds. Automatically going to turn off for me. Look at that. Beautiful. Nice and cold. Nice creamy texture. Look how smooth that comes out. That beautiful date, the passion fruit, it's all disappeared. Try some of that. Really, really good. This is my new Lush summer smoothie. Really, really lush. Happy blending.